The most substantial reserve track extensions were those south of Selly Oak along Bristol Road, the tracks being laid between 24-foot wide dual carriageways in an overall 120-foot road inclusive of pavements and tree-lined grass verges. This type of construction represented the latest thinking in suburban tramway development and offered high-speed running. Northfield and Longbridge were reached in 1923, Rednall Loop in 1925 and Rubery in 1926. Henceforth, on bank holidays and summer Sundays, trams from depots throughout the city would be dispatched to transport thousands for a mini-holiday on the Lickey Hills. Corporation-owned, the highest point of the hills was 950 feet. For very little outlay, whole families could enjoy the pleasure of a walk or sampling the many food stalls and entertainments on display. Interestingly, the many motor cars built at the nearby Longbridge works were eventually to lead to a dramatic decline in popularity in the period after 1945. Today little remains of the network. However, this former tramway reservation and some rails which survive at Rednall terminus revive memories of the intense holiday traffic to the nearby Lickey Hills.